In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get your clients to sign your contracts sooner by sending those contracts through DocuSign, a popular e-signature system. First step, you want to go to DocuSign.com, and here is their main homepage. And since I already have an account, I'm going to click on the login and we'll enter my email address. Click the yellow continue button, enter your password, and click on the yellow login button. And once you've logged in, you'll come to their main screen. So you'll see sign or get signatures at the top. You want to click on the new button. And then you want to click on the send an envelope. Now you come to the screen where they're asking you to add your documents to the envelope. So you want to click on the blue upload button, find your contract, select your contract, and click the choose button. And now it will upload your contract to the system. Now once that's finished, then you want to scroll down to the add recipients to the envelope. So you want to check that box that says set the signing order. And so the first person to sign will be your client. So enter their name. And in this example, I'm going to call this person test client. And enter your client's email address. And then once you've done that, click on the button for add recipient. So the second person you want to add is you. So enter your name in here and your email address. Okay, so you want to make sure, again, the first person to sign should be your client. And then after they sign, then you would be the second person that signs. Now you can also personalize the message that goes to your client. So when you scroll down, you will see that DocuSign has already pre-populated an email subject. So let's say you don't want that subject line, so you can just modify it. You can say action required. Sign contract to get started. Okay, so you can personalize the subject line, and then you can enter a personal email address. Say, hi test client, looking forward to working together. All right, so you can just personalize it. And then once you've done that, then you want to click on the next button in the bottom right corner. When you do that, now you are in the screen to set the signatures. So you will see in the middle here your contract, and then in the left menu bar you will see the standard fields. So scroll down in your contract for where you are going to capture signatures. So here you will see the test client, all the standard fields on the left menu bar are yellow. So you will drag the signature field and drop that in the space where you're going to capture their signature. You will drag the option for their name and drop that into your contract. And then you want to drag the date signed from the left menu bar and drop that into your contract screen. Okay, so now everything is finished for your test client. Then you want to go back to the top left corner and click the drop down menu and find your name. So here I'm going to select my name, and you'll see that all the standard fields are now blue. So now you'll repeat the process and drag the signature field to the space on your contract where you want to capture signature. And then same thing for date signed. Drag the date signed and populate that within your signature, within your contract. And once you've previewed everything and made sure that everything looks good, then you want to click the bottom button for send. And when you click send, you will get a message that says successfully sent. And that's it. That's how you send contracts through DocuSign.